Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make jumbo rolled oats. First, you'll need 1/2 cup of jumbo rolled oats and 1 cup of water or milk. You can use any liquid you prefer, but water or milk are common choices. Also, have your favorite toppings ready, such as fresh berries, sliced bananas, or a sprinkle of cinnamon. This simple preparation ensures a delicious and hearty breakfast. To begin cooking, combine your 1/2 cup of jumbo rolled oats with 1 cup of water or milk in a small saucepan. Place the saucepan over medium heat and bring the mixture to a gentle boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and let it simmer for about 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. This allows the oats to absorb the liquid and become wonderfully creamy. As your oats simmer, stir them frequently to ensure even cooking and prevent them from sticking to the bottom of the pan. Continue cooking until most of the liquid has been absorbed and the oats reach your desired tenderness. They should be soft but still have a pleasant chew. Once cooked, remove the saucepan from the heat and let the oats stand for 1 to 2 minutes. This brief rest helps them thicken slightly. Now it's time to serve your delicious jumbo rolled oats. Carefully transfer the warm oats into your favorite serving bowl. This is where you can get creative with your toppings. Add a drizzle of honey, a handful of fresh berries, some chopped nuts, or a sprinkle of brown sugar. For a refreshing drink alongside your meal, remember to stay hydrated. Check the description below for a link to the Oats water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your wholesome and satisfying breakfast.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.